Hey, welcome back guys. My name's Gareth, this is Tech Check. Today I want to check out this Nanoleaf Shapes triangle starter kit. Now, this is going to come from an absolute Nanoleaf noob's perspective because I've never actually owned one of these products. Not because I didn't like them, I think they look fantastic, but cost has always been a driving factor and value in my eyes is really important. So today we're going to do an unboxing, a review, an installation just behind my shoulder going up the wall back here, and hopefully I can give you that benefit and peace of mind that it's worth every single penny. So kicking things off guys, a quick overview of the outer packaging, show you some of the benefits that this Nanoleaf product can offer you. So first of all, it can display 16 million colours between 12,000K and 6,500K. So it's got an ambient function so you can change the colour and the temperatures. Touch experience, so you can go around touching your different panels. It will react whichever panel you actually touch. It's got music visualizer in there so you can bring your music to life if you like. And it's got a fantastic, so they say, layout detect on their app, so you can design and customize different layouts for this particular setup as well. And it says it's also got a simple setup. From the reviews that I've watched, it's got some sticky pads and then you just stick the panels to the actual sticky pads and you can stick them directly onto the wall. So nothing really other than that, other than the connectivity. It clearly says here that it works with Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, Alexa, and SmartThings as well. Last but not least, it's got the Connect Plus just at the back here, but it also says combine shapes only. It will not be compatible with Nanoleaf Rhythm Light Panels or Canvas panels as well. So something really important to note guys, that if you've gone out and bought this starter kit and you're wanting to obviously connect it with your Rhythm or any other panels other than the shape ones, this is not going to be compatible. So just bear that in mind. So let's open this up and see what we get inside. So we've got Need More Inspiration little booklet here. Just gives you an overview of different layouts and stuff like that. You've got a couple of QR codes depending on whether you're on Apple or Android. I'm guessing you can scan that and it will give you a little bit more help. You've got a starter kit, which is just here. Loads of different languages and quick start guide. We may need to look at that because, again, never had one of these before. And then we have got our triangles as well. So really nice quality, guys. I can tell straight away that these look really nice and they're going to blend in fantastically well on that back wall there. So what I'll do guys, I'll get all the triangles out and then we'll check out what else is in this box. Looks like our control panel just there, all of our different connections. Got a US adapter or a European adapter and then a UK plug adapter. All of our 3M sticky tape. Our power brick. So let's clear this up and we'll take a closer look. So we're now down to the bare bones of the contents of the actual box guys, so you can see for your own eyes what you're actually purchasing. So essentially there's 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14, so you get 16 of these connections here. You get plenty of these sticky pads. So on the back of the triangles, you can pull these little pads off. They can stick on to this little nub on the back of the triangle, which is just here. Now you can obviously put that onto the triangle and just press it on and it clips in, and then you can stick this 3M tape onto the back of there so you don't have to remove the old triangle. What will happen is you can just remove that and then obviously your triangle will come away but your sticky pad will stay on there. Overall though, I love the fact that you've got this removable bit here. It makes the installation really easy. Clips on, you can take it off really good or really fast. In terms of the actual controller, I can see that you've obviously got your on-off switch here. You've got a music mode here. You've got probably an up or down in terms of how bright it's going to be. Not too sure on what these two functions are here. I'm going to have to take a closer look or perhaps press it when I get it all installed. But again, guys, this is coming from an absolute Nanoleaf noob's perspective. It's sometimes good to do these videos, products that you know very little about, because then you get first hand, was it easy to set up and install. I would always advise, if you are going to spend this kind of money on a particular product, do your research, make sure it's going to be right for you, and then hopefully you won't be disappointed. But so far the products look absolutely fantastic quality. I mean, there's no flex, the plastic looks really good, it's not discolored, it looks like it's gonna basically be around for quite a long while. So connections themselves, again, very little about these connections, but looks like they're made with decent materials, don't look like they're going to break or snap so easy. And in terms of connectivity, I'm guessing that you should be able to just put that in there. I hope I'm doing this right. Yeah, I have. So you can put that in there like that, and then you should be able to get another one any place you want to put it, and then we can just line them up and click them into place, and you only need one connection from one to the other. So fairly straightforward, seamless kind of look as well, guys, no gaps or anything like that, which is really nice. And so far I'm pretty impressed with regards to what it actually feels like and the quality of the actual product as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug up some power to this baby, and then we'll see what they look like. On the power plug itself, now I have just measured this cable, guys, and they've been quite generous with regards to the power cable. It's actually 2 meters from the actual power brick itself to the actual connector on the end, which is really nice, because if you want to put it up your wall quite high, or you want to put it at the top of your wall, then you've got a couple of meters to play with as well. So in order to connect the power, I've just been trying to attach it like this, and that does not work. What I've noticed is you have to put it in at an angle and let the cable run round just like that. So you can press that in, and then it's got a nice little groove where the actual cable can just come through down here, which is also nicely thought of. So one thing I did forget to do, guys, is to connect our controller as well. That connects in exactly the same fashion as the other panels do. So just clip it in, and then you should be able to just put that in anywhere on one of those boards as well, or panels. So now that we've got some power hooked up, guys, I can see that there's a light just here. I'm hoping that we just turn it on and everything works. Hey, there we go. So not the choice of colours that I would go for, but turn it on and it works straight away. So let's see what this does. Okay, so there's your dim, there's your up and down. And I'll tell you what, they go ultra low. So you can either touch it and they get brighter and brighter, or you can hold it and they'll, yeah, that's good. So we'll turn them up to their brightest. So there we are, that's our brightest colours at this moment in time. And again, guys, this is just stock, it's just turned on. There's no customizing done here or anything like that. But all of a sudden, you get to see what you're actually paying for. And the diffusion is absolutely stunning, guys. Absolutely stunning. Oh, you can press, and the harder you press them, the more pressure that's exerted, the brighter the panel is as well, which is pretty good. So you've also got something which is called the music mode as well. So it's got a built-in mic, so each and every time it picks up a different frequency or volume or pitch or tone, etc., the panels themselves will obviously change. Right then, guys, next step is let's get these panels hooked up to the Nanoleaf app. So we can customize it, look at what the app's like, and see what else we can do in terms of design. All I've done here is I've chucked together the panels. Some of these aren't connected, but I just wanted to give you an idea of what you could actually do with these 15 panels themselves, because this is the starter kit. So first of all, grab a smart device, mobile phone, tablet, or something like that. Head over to your Play Store and download the Nanoleaf app. Failing that, if you go into the quick start guide, you can actually scan the QR code and it'll take you straight to the app so you can download it. Now that we've downloaded this Nanoleaf app, click on it and let's see if we can get it connected. So never done this before. Let's see what the experience is going to be like, because I have had some bad news stories about the connectivity and first time issues. So let's see how easy it is to actually do. So Right, in the app itself, we can see dashboard, a discover. So in the discover section, you can see, well, there's loads of presets in there, guys. So obviously they do a really good job of helping you out with different color variations and different presets and stuff like that. And we'll take a look at these very, very shortly. There's an explore section. So all the products that Nanoleaf have, integrations with Alexa, Google Assistant, and so on, so on. There's a join a beta program, which is down there. And then you've got schedules, schedule your lights to turn on, turn off. And I'm guessing you can do presets and stuff like that in there as well. But what we want to do is click on the more section. We want to click on devices, and then we want to click the add section. This particular model is the shapes. So we click on that and it brings you to setup guide here. So it clearly says here, all we need to do is click start pairing. It says, ensure before we start pairing that the router's at 2.4 gigahertz, you connect your 2.4 gigahertz, i.e. your phone, to that network, and that your controller unit is ready, i.e. can be turned on. So let's click start pairing. And it then gives you 3 different options. Number 1 is you can pair with a QR code, pair with NFC, or pair with a manual input. Now I'm going to press pair with a manual input. And I'm guessing what this is doing now is searching for one of the wireless networks. Let's hope that I've got 2.4 gigahertz enabled. And it's searching, it's searching. Is it going to find anything? This is great. Now I know for an absolute fact, guys, that my Wi-Fi is at 2.4 gigahertz. I've disabled 5 gigahertz. So I know it's actually working. I've got no issues because the router is absolutely brand spanking new. If you are interested, it's the TP link. I'll leave a link in the description below. I'll do a quick review on that as well, because fantastic little router and offers some really good speeds with great connectivity, fantastic antennas as well. So reach quite a good distance for the Wi-Fi signal. So if you're interested in that, leave a comment down below. I'll be sure to give that a look. This is not looking good though, guys. I've got the device turned on. My phone is connected to the Wi-Fi. Can't find it. Wow, for the love of God, something has happened. It is finally found, guys. Shapes. It says no network configured. Tap to set up. Tap to connect. Right, yes, we want to connect to my TP link. Yes, click next. Right, okay, I need to put the password in, guys. Once the password is in, you can click next. Right, it's searching for the device. Please. Yes, connect. Connecting to device. Connection successful. Thank the Lord. No word of a lie, guys. That has just took me nearly 30 minutes. Nearly 30 minutes to connect this Nanoleaf to my Wi-Fi to my phone. No word of a lie. Can we turn it on? Let's see if we can do that. Hooray! Right, let's just see, dim it all the way down. Yeah, that works. I'm guessing, yeah, you can see that. So turn it off, it turns off. So we have got control now. So now that we've got that connected, thank you, we can actually go ahead and we can actually start installing these panels in an actual shape to your design on your wall. Be mindful of where you would like your control, and also be mindful of where you would like your cable coming out of. Wherever you can hide that the best, I'm guessing is going to be the best. I think I'm going to do it right at the bottom on the right hand side. That way you're not even going to see the cable itself. So very, very straightforward in terms of installation. I'm not going to go through that, but what I will do is I'll be back very shortly once I've managed to get all of these on the wall. So what we'll do now, guys, is we'll just give you an idea of the max brightness of these lights. They're currently on 60%. If I dim them all the way down to around 10%, no, not even 10%, 5%, you can see that they've gone massively down in terms of illumination. We'll knock that up to 50%, which is just about there. And then if we knock that all the way up to 100%, it will blow the camera out. So it's mega, mega bright, guys. And I will say that you won't be disappointed with regards to the effects that the app can do, or the actual panels themselves, because they are really, really good quality, really good user experience with regards to the app as well once you get it connected. In terms of obviously the different presets and stuff like that, there's loads and loads of different ones. So regardless of whatever your taste, you can go in and you can DIY or customize the different presets. So no issues there at all. And like I said, loads and loads of different ones. This one's cotton candy. Loads of different music settings as well if you wish to do that. Jungle setting, which is just there. We'll turn that down because it's blowing out. Northern Lights, maybe that's up your street. And then the last one, which is Prism, just to give you an idea of a few of the different types of presets which is on here. But let's chuck it back onto my favorite, just plain red and white, which is going to be my preset. I've gone in and I've just customized that myself so that the colors are in keeping with the rest of the studio. It's a fantastic product, absolutely fantastic product, really well made, really good experience once you've actually got them connected, utilizing obviously the app, and loads of different ways of connecting to these particular panels as well. So in terms of whether they are, well, whether it's a good product, I would massively say yes. Nanoleaf, you've smashed it out the park. The touch functionality, the connectivity once you get it done, and the app and everything else that goes along with it in terms of music receiver and stuff like that, perfect. No issues or any problems there. The only stumbling block for me is the cost. And these are a pretty penny. They cost me about £250 for 15 triangles in this starter pack. So you get quite a lot. You can do quite a lot with them, but it is still a huge amount of money for a few panels on the wall, essentially, that's going to emit some light. Now, there is loads of other products out there that you can achieve the same results for a fraction of the cost. They won't be the same quality. You won't get the same user interface and things like that. But if this is the desired effect that you're looking for, you've got Govee products that are out there, which are the glide panels which have just come out. You've got a do-it-yourself option, if you like, where you can achieve this kind of result for a fraction of the cost. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution, then Nanoleaf's kind of got you covered. So in all honesty, if you've got a set, or you're doing YouTube videos, or your Twitch streamer or something like that, you want something in the background where your viewers can interact with it, or it's going to add some value to your videos, then it's a worthwhile investment. If you're just looking to add a new panel lights to your wall and you don't care about how much they cost, then by all means go for it. But if you're actually cost conscious and you're looking for your best bang for buck, then potentially these aren't going to be the right thing for you, and I would say look elsewhere before spending your hard-earned cash. But all being said, I'm happy with the purchase. I think they look really well up there as well. Didn't spend too much time designing or anything like that. I wanted to get them on the wall and actually just have a play around with them. So I'm really, really happy. I'm sure that there's millions of other people out there that have bought this and are really, really happy as well. And if you're one of them, leave a comment down below, guys. Were you happy spending this amount of money on this particular product? Have you been using it to its full capacity? And have you had any issues as well? I'd love to hear from you. I'm hoping you've enjoyed the video, guys. If you have, smash that subscriber button, leave a big fat thumbs up. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next one.